Let's kill him. You guys ready? Just wait. What should we do here? There's another group in front of us. I think so. There's another group about to come in on the right. They're locked up. These ones are looking better. They're gonna land on us. We might have to move our blinds over there. Shoot him. Got one over there.
Oh, someone could have smoked them on the left.
Yeah.
Go get him.
There we go.
Go get him. I didn't know they were that close to us yet.
We smoked that first one, though, at least. Hey, at least we didn't get skunked. We gotta move those deeks on the left.
Or just our blinds.
Yeah, probably blind.
Where we move our blinds?
No, yeah, I think we should just leave our blind.
Well, then we gotta pull the decoys
Dude,
now.
Dude, is that thing banded?
No.
Damn it.
Good girl. Good girl. Had a girl. Come on. Drop. Kennel. Good girl. We got more? We gotta move decoys. Let's just take them. They're all coming in good. Make a little noise, they might short stuff.
Hit the flag a little bit, Katie.
Just once, hit it once. Let's take these 4 if they come in good. Right in front. Hunter, let's take these 4. They're kind of flaring. The group on the right's coming right in front of us. Oh my gosh.
Kill him! Right here.
Crippled tail far.
Did he go down though?
Yeah. Oh, he is going down.
Go get him.
The exact same thing. There's a pair that's gonna land right up my. They're short stopping. Stay. Come on, baby. Call it.
Kill him! How many we drop on that one? Good shooting.
Got another.
Good.
We got another cripple possibly.
Hey, let the dogs. Go, Candle. Hey, we got a quail. Oh no.
Right here, Roxy. Go get it. Roxy. Go. Go.
There's one way on the backside.
I don't even see it, I don't think. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Drop. Jesus, watch where you're going there, buddy. I don't know where that one cripple went. Perfect. If they land, probably just let them land. Because those 8 are getting close now. I don't know what to do here. That 8-pack is way lower. We should probably just wait. Let's just wait. These ones are coming on a string.
Hopefully they don't follow them all, dude. Hopefully they don't follow them. They're coming right at us. They're coming right at us.
7 of them.
They try to fly on top of us, shoot them.
This pair just spun.
7's turning.
We could take these pair. Yep. Come on, baby. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my god. No, keep coming. Oh yeah. Should we take these 5?
We had to take them. Yeah.
I'm good with that, honestly. Oh, yeah, she don't know the difference.
Good girl.
About to have a sick video of this, though.
Good
Bring her.
girl. Come on, Marley.
Marley, bring her. That's a big goose.
Yes, you're going Good girl. Come on. Me and you coach now. Yeah.
Naughty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should we kill him? Let's wait for the second flock. Do a little band checking. We can definitely kill those ones that landed.
Kill him!
Oh, I got another one.
I missed.
I got one over there.
I got a double. I'll take that, baby.
Oh, get him! Get him!
Atta girl, Marley.
I should got that on
Good
video.
girl!
That
Get him
was a
up!
bad
Get him up!
ride.
Get him, good girl! Hey, there's another
Roxy, bring it here. Bring it.
Hey,
Roxy,
there's
kennel.
another cripple that just dropped out of that
Hell
bar.
yeah.
Kennel, Roxy. Roxy, kennel, come on.
Hit that. I
Get
shot
him
that.
up and take fire over there. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up.
Sit.
Kill him.
Kill him. Oh shit, I'm right.
Got one.
Did we get any of them?
Yeah, we got two.
Two over here.
Oh hey, we got one over here too.
Go get them.
That one's belly up right there.
We gotta clean birds. We gotta clean birds now. Roxy, go get them. Bring him here. Bring him here.
Hold on, these might come back along.
Bring him here. Roxy. Roxy, bring. Good girl. How many? Do we got any more out here? Marley grabbed one. Bring her. Good girl. Good girl. Bring her. Good girl. Drop, drop.
Yeah, and there was another one that dropped.
Bring it here, Marley. Marley, bring it here.
Swimming out in the